Hello everyone, my name is Nehal. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Backend Logic Made Easy. In this video, we are going to start stack data structure from the scratch in a very simple and interview-oriented way. If you have, if you are planning for the coding interviews or learning data structure, this video will help you to understand stack clearly. In this video, we will learn what is a stack, what is the LIFO principle, which are the real life examples of the stack, stack terminologies like push, pop, and peek, and stack representation using diagram. So let's start our first topic. What is stack? Stock, sorry, Stack is a linear data structure. Means it's stored. The elements are stored in the sequential order, just like array. Stack follows very important principles, that is LIFO principle. It stands for last in, first out. This means last element inserted into the stack will be removed first. Elements are inserted and deleted from one end, means insertion and deletion operation will be performed from only one end, which is called as a top of the stack. Stack is also called as a recursive data structure because stack is used in, internally in a recursion. When the function is called, it's pushed into the stack. When it's finished, it's popped from the stack. Now let's understand the LIFO principle. LIFO means last in, first out. The last inserted element is removed first. Now here, data 1, data 2, data 3, data 4 are the elements inserted element in the stack. First we insert data 4, then data 3, then data 2, and then data 1. Here, data 1 is the last inserted element in the stack. So when we perform the pop operation, first pop operation on the stack, data 1 is data 1 will be removed first. This is why we say the elements comes last will be removed first. Now let us see some real life examples of stack. Stack of plates. When you place plates one by one and the last place is on the top. Suppose here are the plate, four plate, and when you want to remove the plate, you remove the topmost plate first. This one. This works exactly like a stack. Also, the second example is similar, the browser history. Suppose this is our browser. When we you visit the multiple web pages, something, 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 and here is the back button, back arrow, and when you press the back button, the last visited web page will be removed first. Third example is undo and redo in editor. In text editor, suppose like the MS Office, or here we write something and we click the undo operation, then last perform operation will be under. Similarly, redo. When we click the redo button, then which operations will be performed on undo, that will be the again write it. This also use implemented using stack. Functions call stack. Now, when we call functions calls another functions. Suppose here F1 function calls F2 function. The last called functions will be executed first and returned first. The value of F2 will give it to F1 and then after that F1 will be performed. This is why it is called call stack. Now let us understand the important stack terminology. Push operation, pop operation, peek and top. Top means top points to the last element. Top is nothing but pointer which is points to the last element. Push is the insert push is uses for the insertion element and pop is used to the remove element and peek is view to the top element. Now push operations. Push is used to insert an element into the stack. So insertion always happen at the top of the stack. Example, if you push 10, 20, 30 in the stack becomes, suppose here is a stack 10, 20, 30. This then top value is nothing but 30. And if you perform on the pop operation, then 30 will be removed and and the top value is nothing but then 20. Pick now pick or top operation. Pick or top operation is used to see the top element without removing it. If the stack is 10, 20, 30, the pick will show 30, but stack remains unchanged. Now let us understand how stack works using a diagram. First, this is the empty stack. The top value is -1, which means the stack has no elements. If we push the if we perform the push operation, push 10, then we insert it into stack 10, 10 value, then top value is becomes to the 0 and top points to 10. We insert 20 into the stack. Now the stack has two elements, 10 at the bottom and 20 at the top, and top points to the 20 and top value become 1, which is also incremental 1. Now we remove the top element from the stack, that is 20 is removed, top moves back to the 10, that is top points to the 10 and top value is become 0. So stack supports three main operations: push to insert, pop to delete, and pick to view the top element. Stack follows LIFO principles and is widely used in functions calls, undo redo operations, and expression evaluations. Today we will learn what is a stack, what is a LIFO principle, real life examples, stack operations, stack representation using diagram. In the next video, we will learn stack implementation using array. push and pop algorithm step by step, stack overflow and underflow, and some important interview questions. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comments. I'll try my best to reply. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Happy learning.